Part 53 of my cross-country ride on my Tiger. Saw the goats on the roof, swam at a beautiful beach, and went to the pub for dinner. Another beautiful day riding on Vancouver Island.
Okay, and I am done with the gravel parking lots.
Taking my bike out of rain mode, changing it to sport mode.
I'm going inland a tiny bit to the Island Highway, and it's faster than the old Island Highway, which is along the water, and I did that on the way up. It's definitely worth seeing though, the old Island Highway. And my preferred route, I just don't need to do it again. Going south, just out of Campbell River, and already getting amazing views. Yeah, beautiful mountain. Look at that though. Beautiful forest. I think I am technically in the Comox Valley. Not 100% sure on that. Around Comox area, just south of there. And the beautiful mountains surrounding. Look at that view. Wow. Oh, that's 11 miles. Turn the corner and look at the view again. There we go. More beautiful mountains. Typical sight on British Columbia roads, logging trucks, and it's warming up. It is 12:39 and it's 77 degrees. Started out, I think, 50 something this morning when I got up. Alright, so Coombs is straight ahead. Woohoo! Wasn't exactly sure where it was from here. So, I'm gonna go check out Coombs. Oh, I see. I'm coming in from this side. All right. So this is Coombs with the goats on the roof. I don't see the goats right now. Oh, looks like they watered the roof. I'm going to see if I can park in there. So far, so good. Into the blackberry bush we go. Not quite that far, but let's see how this works. Ah, perfect. Look at that. My bike. Ta-da. Coombs. Oh, there's a goat. He's sitting in the shade. Oh, and the other one just came out. He's eating. Very cool. Let's go take a closer look at those goats. How often do you see goats on the roof at a store or anywhere?
A quick photo of the bike in front of the sign, and then off to see the goats. Smart goats enjoying the shade. Took off a few layers so I could explore for a while and be comfortable in the heat. These guys are super cute, fun to see everyone enjoying them. I met a friend here. We looked in the shop, checked out the goats, and then had ice cream for lunch. I wish more places would make licorice ice cream. My favorite and really hard to find. I'm assuming this is another home for the goats. Cool art made from an old tree trunk. The goats on the roof at Coombs. Exploring the rest of Coombs. All the stores here are pretty artsy and unique. A fun place to shop. Heading back to the bike, one last look at the goats before I keep going. getting my riding gear back on, and ready to head to the next location, a beautiful sandy beach.
Okay, well, done at Coombs, the country market with the goats on the roof. Super cool spot. Alright. Oops, I guess this is one way. There's the goats. I didn't see the one-way sign, sorry. So these are all the stores at Coombs. It goes on for a couple blocks. And it seems to change every time I come here. The flea market today. Food truck, that's cute. Well, that worked out well. Got gas, saw the goats on the roof. Now back to the highway.
A short ride to the coast, and we are at this beautiful sandy beach. A perfect place to visit and spend the rest of the hot afternoon.
Here we are at Rathtrapper Beach, right?
Yep, Provincial Park.
Yeah, by Beach Acres. And I don't know, the tide is way out there, like probably what? Like a couple kilometers?
Yeah.
Like it's crazy. And it's like the best beach ever.
There's the beach, there's the tide. I started off showing
It's huge.
the beach towards the shore. At Rathtrapper Provincial Park in beautiful BC. We are walking out, well, okay, I get us, this is where about at a tidal pool. So we're getting a little bit of seaweed here, but yeah, for the most part, beautiful sandy beach with very little seaweed. The tidal pools are nice and warm. Nice and warm. And yeah, walking out to the ocean. There used to be lots of sand dollar here. So many sand dollars that you're walking and trying not to step on them. And people take them, or have taken them over the years as souvenirs. So don't have that anymore. If we see sand dollars though, I'll get a picture. Alrighty, I found a dead sand dollar. You can tell he's dead because he's white. It's got some sand on him. But hopefully I'll find a live one. Live ones are black. And one that's whole that you can see. Alright, washing it off a little bit. Okay, well, unfortunately a dead sand dollar, but a sand dollar. Found a live sand dollar, so I'm not touching them. They're still pretty little though. They do get bigger than this, and a whole bunch of little crabs. There are crabs everywhere here. This is in a tidal pool, because the water is extremely clear. And there's a couple of other sand dollars. Okay, another tidal pool, and the black things that are half buried in the sand there are sand dollars. So there's a bunch more as we keep going, which is good to see. And that's how far we are out from the shore.
The views of Vancouver Island behind us. Enjoyed the water for a bit, went for a few swims, and sat out on the warm sand. Canadian geese getting a meal from the seaweed.
Went swimming and found a big and small clam. I'm gonna put them back in the water, but I just wanted to get the size, and we found them, and very cool. Yeah, okay, put them back in their home. And they'll dig a little bit. Oh, my shadow. And the tide is coming in. I'll show how fast the tide comes in. Yep, I better move my stuff. Our stuff was kind of a ways. Yep, tide comes in quickly. And it is warm. It is beautiful. And how clear the water is. Oh, this water is warm. It's like bath water. Beautiful. All right, so our stuff was way in, and moved it a couple times. Now we're on a little island. Our island is disappearing. See the crab floating? And this is the tide coming in.
The beautiful soft sand. Fun to see the different sea life. Some of the homes and resorts around the bay. On the north side is Rath Trevor Beach Provincial Park. This park has campgrounds, but they fill up very fast. There is day use here, which is what we did. Back to the dry sand to warm up after swimming. One friend had to leave and another joined me.
I've never seen a woman do this sport. You need to be pretty strong. Yeah, a lot of upper body strength, I think, to do that. Very cool. A couple people out there having fun. At Rath Trevor Provincial Park on Vancouver Island. Beautiful day. A little windy today, but gorgeous. The tide is almost in.
Why don't you let them know if the water's cold or not?
Yeah, haven't ventured into the water yet.
Really hot earlier, it cooled off as the wind picked up later in the day. The water is still warm, but pretty chilly when you get out and you're in the wind. These two remind me of an old married couple looking out at sea. After an awesome day at the beach, I'm above the beach at a pub where I can visit with my friend. A beer with a view. Perfect. Exploring the inside of the pub. There are many cabins on this property. I'm not sure if this is also a lodge or if it is just the pub. Cooling off a bit. Another perfect day exploring Vancouver Island on my motorcycle. Hit like, subscribe, share, and add a comment below. Thanks for watching and follow me on social media.